Hi, before we understand how SEO works, first we understand how the search engine works. So we have three parts about how search engines work. First one is scrolling, second one is indexing, and third one is ranking. Both are different and all have a different criteria. So first we understand how search engines work. Search engine just like Google. So how many top search engines we have? Top search engines. We have the top search engines just like Google, Bing, Yahoo, Baidu, AOL, Ask.com, Exit, DuckDuckGo, and lot more. But top 10 search engines are there. Okay. So what the criteria of search engine? Search engines work to resolve your queries about what? If when you ask something on Google, when you query something on Google, when you enter some words on Google search engine, then they show some results to you on one page named SERP, search engine result page. Okay, so that page is what? Search engine result page. That complete page is search engine result page. We also told you in previous videos. So now the first one, crawling here. What is crawling? Crawling means to crawl something, to read something, some text or some content. Okay, so Google send bots, also called spider. We also called spider also. Crawlers, also known as spiders, to crawl the words wide fab, www, and get a copy of website that it visits. Okay, means you well known that Google क्या करता है, पूरी की पूरी वेबसाइट को क्रॉल करता है, उसके पूरे कंटेंट को क्रॉल करता है, एंड आफ्टर दैट what they done, they take a simple copy of that and save it in their crawler box. Crawler gets a website data that Google is stored on its server. It's also known as cache or the Google serving page, Google save page, also known as Google save page, which is on server side also, or on the browser side, the page which known as cache or the fastest searching medium. Next one, Google gets the information about the website through the sitemap data submitted by the webmasters. So sitemap is what, just like it is known as Google Search Console. Sitemap is most important criteria, most important part in SEO, which is known as Google Search Console or Webmaster also. Google Search Console. Google Search Console. So here the Google Search Console, what's the main criteria of Google Search Console? Google Search Console main criteria to rank your website or to crawl your website on Google, mainly on Google. It's made by Google to rank your website on Google on SCRP, on their pages. Okay, so what next? Sitemap is means to rank your posts, pages which you created on your website, which you submitted on your Google Search Console, and rest more. Google also crawl all the links it find in website. We all know that all the links we entered in the website also crawled by Google in search engine on your website. Initially Google took 90 days to crawl all the pages on internet. Now it does so within a day. First it take 90 days to crawl all the pages on the internet. Now it does so within a day. We have this Google Search Console is too good. They crawl our page within a day. Okay, so that's most important crawling parts. Just like crawling is what? To crawl your content, your posts, your pages, your images, and rank them in the website front page or the another pages of SERP, search engine result. Next one is indexing. Indexing is what? Google builds an index of all words it seems at its place on the web pages. Okay, so just like that means, just like top search engines, just like this. This is what? This is known as indexing, means Google indexing we told them. That is known as Google indexing. If we search here, best Nike shoes, so best Nike shoes is there, and this is also known as Google indexing. The most searchable results of best Nike shoes, or the suggestions also, under 5,000 for man 2019, under 1,500, under 300 for running, under 10,000 2020 in India, under 2,000. That's also give us suggestion also. That's the most searchable results on Google. So Google builds an index of all words it seems and it plays on the web page. This is a link, like the index is the beginning of the book, which shows chapters and their pages number. Shows us what? Index. Just like in earlier we have an index in copies of chapters or books on the front page. Just all that, just like they make the indexing of their web pages results. Web pages results, which if we search something, then they give complete query. Just like if I search best Nike shoes, gave a result to me. They give such results, just like top 12 best search engines in the world, 7 most popular search engine in the world, SEO, 7 great search engine you have to instead on Google, top search engines in the world. That's all results given by search engine to me, best results ranked by SEO. They all results ranked by SEO. I also told in earlier videos, like this is known as SERP, search engine result page, and 3 results they have: paid, business listing, and organic. So that's complete page is known as SERP, search engine result page, and this is known as LSI, latent symmetric index. Okay, so next, Google have created multiple indexes that also determine crawling. We also know this. Means crawler is what? They make most of pages, just like if I search on them, Google Search Console, and signing here, I shows some results. If I submit my website in here, just like I submit my website, so I visit my website and I log in there. Just like I log into my website and this and this, Google Search Console. I see some, yeah. So my website is submit on them. They doesn't show me some results. Okay, so Google Search Console have some criteria to submit. So Google has created multiple indexes that also determine crawling, right? So what the next we have, we also know ranking and serving, means what the rank of their results and serving on the Google's page means if some results rank, like Google gets millions of results for every search queries. Yeah, if I what the main motive of searching is to get a best result. So I search here how to make a cake. Fine, I search here how to make a cake. So how many results Google shows to me? That's result. Just like they shows me millions of results in what second? In how many seconds? 0.66 seconds only. So that's the power of searching generated by Google algorithms. So that's all results, and I am on the first SCRP page of search engine result page of Google, and rest we also seeing some other results just like second, third, fourth, fifth. It's also in a website or results related to that query, how to make it a cake. Fine. So here Google get millions of results of every SCR search queries. Google then return shows the page by their relevance to the search queries. This is called SCRP, search engine result page, rank of the page. Relevance is determined by 200 plus factors include page rank. Page rank is the result and important of a web page determined by the links that point to the website. Each link pointing to your website from another website added to your website page rank. Yeah. Other factors that determine SCRP rank are quantity of the content. Yeah, quantity of the content is most important, because if the quality of the content is not better or the content is copied, then they doesn't rank a lot, or copyright strike also come on that content. Okay, technical robustness of the website, easy of navigation also. Yeah, that's the main part of search engine, or we say that's also the main part of SEO, or the ranking which done by SEO. Right. So here we also see just like total search engines, top search engines, we also show you other top search engines. Top search engines, just like we have here Google, Bing, Yahoo, AOL, Ask, Exit, the top search engines. But we all know that only some others searching on Bing, Yahoo, Baidu. Our toppest search engine is Google. We all know. So if we search here, how many searches per second? Okay, how many searches on Google per second? So this shows us the Google receives over 63,000 searches per second on any given day. So great. That's the average figure of how many people use Google a day. If it translates it to at least 2 trillion searches per year. 2 trillion searches per year. Fabulous. 3.8 million searches per minute. 22 to 8 million searches per hour, and 5.6 million searches per day. That's the searching rate of Google. Understand why we use Google only to search? Because the searching power of Google is great, and the results they are giving is also great. Okay, and the results they are giving is also great. So that's the results here. Fine. So you understand what the search engine and how it helps in SEO, search engine optimization. Okay, thank you. Now meet in next video. Goodbye.